This segment is sponsored by Good Feet.
Spring beckons us outside and motivates us to be active. But if you're suffering from foot and back pain, going for a walk or run is really the furthest thing from your mind. Jonathan Cotton of Good Feet joins us with simple solutions to get you moving again. It's great to have you back.
Thank you very much, Jessica. Good to be back.
It's the time of year we need to see you because there is so much getting ready to happen with the weather improving and us heading outside. But there are a lot of reasons that a lot of folks don't want to do that.
Yeah, that warm weather feels great, doesn't it?
It does.
It's almost a real challenge when you feel the warm weather and you want to get out and be active, and foot pain or joint or back pain is keeping you from being active. And that's where Good Feet comes in. I was in that dilemma a few years ago, had foot pain. I was not able to enjoy the activities that I like to do. I came in, as I've said plenty of times before, got the arch supports. They helped me so much. I ran my first marathon, and then because I believed in the product so much, I bought the store. And what we're about is helping people get their life back and be able to enjoy those activities.
This is all about creating a foundation that really supports you and then gets you back going again.
That's right. Whether you're a competitive runner or someone who, like me, likes to run long distances, and I came kind of dressed to represent that with my running shoes that I would typically wear if I'm running a marathon or something like that. Or if you're somebody who just wants to walk and be more active, that foundation is still very, very important. So this is just the way the foot should work is you should take a step and you should pronate to the inside about 5%. And what that sets up is the next step, launching off with the first toe and the second toe. The problem is that some people overpronate, they come too far to the inside, or they supinate, they go to the outside. And then that creates a lot of stress within the foot. The other issue is a lot of times the lack of arch support creates a breakdown in the foot, and then this puts stress on the tendon and ligaments in the foot to where you have severe heel pain or other pains within the arch area. So that's where our products come into play.
Folks can come in and see you, and really it can take much less than an hour to have this in a way diagnosed for you to recognize what's going on. And then what do you do? Well,
so what we're going to do is we'll take as much time as needed. We're not this is not an express type of operation that we have, but what we're going to do is we're going to fit each person with an arch support. This is an example of one of our arch supports that would fit underneath the foot like this. So this is an example. This is not a running shoe. This is a walking shoe. It's a very much a stability walking shoe. A lot of running shoes you can take and collapse almost like a taco. This is a very stable. It's going to keep the foot very stable, and that's very, very important if you're having any type of foot pain. We're going to put the arch support in like this.
Okay.
Then the cushion is going to go over top of it, and then by the way, I have a sock that's very much designed to pad the forefoot and the heel area, and then it's going to fit in like this to provide that stable foundation for the foot. There's been a lot of trends out there in the industry. The barefoot running, this is an example of a Wall Street Journal article for last year talking about the barefoot running fad falling out of favor. It worked for some people, but it's not a solution for everybody. Many people need a lot of support for their foot, and that's why Good Feet offers a 3-step system to help them get out of pain.
And we've talked a lot this morning about getting active with athletic shoes or the walking shoes and the stability, but you may not be in that boat. You may just need it for your everyday life.
Well, and when we talk about being active, it may be going to the park. It may be doing your job.
Right.
It may be simply a job that requires you to use your feet a lot, and that's what we want to do. When people can't work as much as they need to, when they can't enjoy time with the kids or grandkids, when they can't just go to the zoo and have a good time, then life's too short for that. Let's help them get their life back, and that's what we're about.
How quickly might folks see results?
Well, it can vary. Some people will come in, will put the arch supports in, they'll stand up, and they'll kind of freeze and turn around and say, I can't believe the pain's gone. Other people, it may take several weeks. That's why we have a 30-day resize refit program. If they come in, they're still having some issues, they can come back in and we'll work with them until we get them straight.
All right, Jonathan Cotton of Good Feet, thanks for being with us.
Thank you, Jessica.
Appreciate it. Learn more, call 364-FEET or go online to goodfeet.com/Richmond and make an appointment for a free consultation. Walk-ins are also welcome. Good Feet is conveniently located at 11573 West Broad Street, across the street from the Barnes & Noble right there in Short Pump.